Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett is defending her vote to overturn Roe v. Wade. In a new memoir, she says Roe, which made abortion legal, got ahead of the American people who, she said, had not always considered abortion a fundamental right.
And in her first interviews since joining the court 5 years ago, Barrett talked with Norah O'Donnell about Roe and whether marriage and contraception, two other rights she considers doctrine, might also be up for revision.
You wrote in the book, the court has held that the rights to marry, engage in sexual intimacy, use birth control, and raise children are fundamental, but the rights to do business, commit suicide, and obtain abortion are not.
Right. I'm describing the doctrine. I was a con law professor for many years. Yes, I describe the doctrine in the book, and that is the state of the law. Which I described in the book because I want people to understand it. I want Americans to understand the law and that it's not just an opinion poll about whether the Supreme Court thinks something is good or whether the Supreme Court thinks something is bad. Mm-hmm. You know, what the court is trying to do is see what the American people have decided. And sometimes the American people have expressed themselves in the Constitution itself, which is our fundamental law, sometimes in statutes. But the court should not be imposing its own values on the American people. Mm-hmm. That's for the democratic process.
And so when Hillary Clinton, for example, says, what's next? She said, my prediction is the court will do to gay marriage what they did to abortion.
Well, I think people who criticize the court or who are outside say a lot of different things. But again, the point that I make in the book is that we have to tune those things out. So,
but you also say in the book that the rights to marry and engage in sexual intimacy and use birth control and raise children are fundamental.
Yes, again, I'm describing what our doctrine is, and that is what we've said.
Mm-hmm. And you can see more of Norah's interview with Justice Barrett this coming weekend on Sunday morning here on CBS.